In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create viral motivational shorts using Canva and ChatGPT. We're going from blank screen to a batch of polished, high-energy clips you can post right away. Start by generating content with ChatGPT. In a fresh chat, ask for 10 short, viral, and powerful motivational quotes about success and discipline. Keeping the quotes short is key so they're instantly readable on a phone screen. Once you have them, refine the pacing by asking for a 3 to 4 sentence script that fits a 15-second, high-impact video. This gives you tight narration that matches quick cuts and bold text. To make life easier in Canva, request the output in a simple table with 2 columns: number and quote, so you can copy and paste cleanly without formatting issues. Next, create your design in Canva. Search for YouTube Shorts or mobile video to open a 9:16 a.m. canvas. Choose an engaging background video from elements, think mountains, dark aesthetics, or city scenes, and set it as the background so it fills the frame. Add a text layer. Pick a bold, highly legible font like Anton or League Spartan and center it. Keep your text large, with strong contrast against the background for instant readability. Then add motion by applying text animations like typewriter or fade. A little movement goes a long way in holding attention during those first critical seconds. Now, scale it with Bulk Create. On the left panel, open Apps and select Bulk Create. Choose Enter Data manually, paste the table you got from ChatGPT, and click Done. In your design, right-click the text element, select Connect Data, and choose the motivational quote field. This tells Canva which text to swap on each page. Click Continue and then Generate Design. It may take a moment, but Canva will produce a separate page for every quote, all using your template. Time to finalize and download. Add music by uploading your own track or choosing a trending or inspiring audio from the Elements tab. Keep levels balanced so the voice is clear over the beat. For narration, use Canva's native voiceover to add a deep, engaging AI voice that delivers the quote and the 15-second script smoothly. When everything feels tight and cohesive, click Share. Then Download and choose Download Pages as separate files, so each short exports individually and is ready to upload. That's it. Thanks for watching.